Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to create a vertical menu using HTML5 and CSS3. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, the software itself, which is TextEdit. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Launchpad, search for the application, TextEdit, click on this, and then Command S to save. Navigate to the desktop, start a new folder called Vertical Menu. Create and then save the text file name to index.htm. Save yes use.htm and then increase the size of the TextEdit file. Increase the font size using Command plus a couple of times when they go to a new line, and now type in all the HTML code required to make the vertical menu with CSS, HTML work, function fully. Less than, exclamation mark, doc type in capitals, HTML greater than, go to a new line, insert all the HTML tags, less than HTML, less than slash HTML. Within this we need the body and head, so less than head greater than, less than slash head, and then the body less than slash body. Within head we can have the title if required to, but not for this tutorial. Go into the body and now insert all the code required. Less than H1 vertical menu. And now bring in the navigation bar. Less than div class equals speech marks vertical menu greater than, go to a new line, indent, less than a href equals speech marks hashtag class equals active greater than home, less than slash a greater than, go to a new line again, indent, bring in the rest of the navigation bar, less than a href equals speech marks hashtag greater than link 1, less than slash a greater than, highlight the previous line of code, copy, go to a new line and then paste 3 times after we indent, and then change link 1 to 2, 3, 4. The navigation bar itself has been completed, so end with div tag less than slash div. Command S to save. And now we can go all the way to the top. Within the head we need style CSS, less than style greater than, go to a new line, less than slash style. Within style we need all the CSS3 dot vertical dash menu, curly brace, new line, indent, the width, colon 200 pixels, semicolon, new line, curly brace, go to a new line again, take the vertical menu, dot vertical menu, a curly brace, new line, background color, color, display, padding, text decoration. Go back to the top after background color. Colon. Highlight the colon. Copy and then paste at the end of each word. Go back to the top again. Hashtag triple E. Semicolon. Color. Black. Semicolon. Display. Block, semicolon, padding 12 pixels, semicolon, text decoration, none, semicolon, new line, curly brace. Ignore the spellings of the words. Command S to save, go to a new line. Take the vertical menu again from the previous lines of code. Paste. A colon, hover, curly brace, new line, indent, background color, take from the top again. Hashtag triple C, semicolon, command S to save, new line, curly brace. Go to a new line again. Take the vertical menu again. Highlight, copy, paste. A.active, curly brace, new line, background color and color, and then change the color to something else for C. AF50, black can be white, new line, curly brace, command S to save. So the CSS has now been coded. The only thing left to do now is to execute and see the vertical menu itself. Command S to save, so we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Finder, Desktop, Vertical Menu, Index.html, right click, open with Safari, minimize Finder, decrease the size of the web browser, decrease the size of the text edit file so we can then see both windows at the same time on a concurrent level to see what is really happening at the same time in real time. Go back to the web browser, right click, reload the page, and now we can see a vertical menu created with the hover effect, all from HTML5 and CSS3. Quit Safari, quit text edit. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.